Thinking about switching careers into AI, or maybe you're just starting out and wondering which roles are worth pursuing in 2025. The AI field is booming and opportunities are everywhere, from startups to global tech giants, and even in industries you might not expect. You're in the right place. Whether you're a coder, a creative, or a strategist, there's an AI role for you. Today we're diving into the top 8 AI jobs that are exploding in demand this year, along with the skills you need, how to get started, what they pay, and real-world examples of what these roles look like day to day. Let's jump right in and see where you could fit in the future of AI. First up, machine learning engineer. These are the architects of AI, building and refining the algorithms that power everything from recommendation engines to self-driving cars. You'll spend your days experimenting with data, tuning models, and collaborating with data scientists and software engineers. Real-world example. At a fintech company, you might develop fraud detection systems. In healthcare, you could help predict patient outcomes. The impact is huge. Your work shapes products millions use every day. Why it's hot? Companies across industries are racing to integrate AI from healthcare to finance, retail, and even agriculture. The demand for skilled engineers is skyrocketing as businesses automate and personalize their services. Skills needed: strong coding skills, especially in Python, and experience with frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. You'll also need a solid grasp of data science, linear algebra, and statistics. Understanding cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, or Azure is a big plus. Day-to-day, you'll experiment with datasets, optimize algorithms, and deploy models to production. Curiosity and problem-solving are your best friends. Average salary in the US ranges from $120K to $180K, with top engineers at elite firms earning even more. The field rewards both skill and creativity. How to start? Take a machine learning bootcamp, build real projects, and publish them on GitHub. A strong portfolio often matters more than a fancy degree. Contribute to open source, join hackathons, and connect with the AI community online. Next, as AI grows, so do the threats. Enter the AI security specialist, the guardian of intelligent systems. These experts protect AI from cyber attacks, data leaks, and manipulation. Why it's booming: AI systems are under attack. Data poisoning, model theft, and adversarial inputs are real problems. Security specialists work to identify vulnerabilities and build robust defenses. Skills needed: cybersecurity fundamentals, AI, ML model vulnerability testing, and risk assessment. You'll also need to stay up to date with compliance standards and regulations. In practice, you might run penetration tests on AI models, monitor for unusual activity, and educate teams about secure AI development. Communication skills are key. Average salary in the US, $100K to $170K, with specialists in high-risk sectors earning even more. How to break in? Start with a background in security or software engineering, then specialize in AI ML systems. Online courses and certifications can help you stand out. AI isn't just about building, it's about solving real problems. That's where the AI product manager shines. These leaders guide products from idea to launch, balancing customer needs with technical possibilities. Why it's crucial: you translate business goals into technical requirements, work with engineers and designers, and ensure the product delivers real value. In a startup, you might wear many hats. In a big company, you'll coordinate across teams. Skills needed: understanding of machine learning capabilities, agile methodology, roadmap planning, and strong communication. Data-driven decision-making is a must. Day-to-day, you'll prioritize features, gather user feedback, and align teams around a shared vision. Empathy and adaptability set great PMs apart. Average salary in the US, $120K to $200K plus, with top PMs earning even more through bonuses and equity. How to pivot? If you've done product work in tech, learn basic AI ML concepts and lead a small AI project to transition in. Online courses and mentorships can accelerate your journey. Next, meet the AI solutions architect. These are the translators between business problems and technical AI solutions, designing scalable, secure, and efficient architectures. Why it's growing fast? As companies scale AI, they need professionals who can bridge the gap between IT and business, ensuring solutions are robust and future-proof. Skills needed: cloud platforms like AWS or GCP, MLOps, system design, and business acumen. You'll also need to understand security and compliance. In this role, you might design end-to-end AI pipelines, evaluate new tools, and work closely with both engineers and executives. Flexibility and big-picture thinking are essential. Average salary in the US, $130K to $210K plus, with senior architects commanding premium pay. How to get there? Start as a data engineer or developer, then grow into architecture by learning AI deployment and infrastructure design. Certifications and hands-on projects are key. AI isn't just about code, it's about trust. That's why ethics and policy officers are now essential. They ensure AI is used responsibly and transparently. Why it's rising. With global pressure for regulation and transparency, companies need to stay compliant and responsible. Ethics officers help shape policies and train teams. Skills needed: ethics, law and policy frameworks, risk management, and strong communication. You'll also need to document processes and manage stakeholder expectations. In this job, you might review AI models for bias, advise on regulatory changes, and lead workshops on ethical AI. Attention to detail is critical. Average salary in the US, $90K to $160K, with opportunities to influence major company decisions. Career path: start in law, public policy, or compliance. Then specialize in AI ethics through certifications or interdisciplinary studies. Networking with industry groups can open doors. Think of this role as the quality control for AI systems. You ensure that models meet ethical and operational standards, and that they serve everyone fairly. Skills needed: data auditing, bias detection tools, and regulatory knowledge like the EU AI Act or US AI policies. You'll work with legal teams, data scientists, and executives to ensure compliance and build trust with users. Average salary in the US, $100K to $170K. Tip: this is a great transition path for data analysts or compliance professionals. Next, meet the prompt engineer. These are the wizards of AI, designing prompts and interfaces that make tools like ChatGPT actually useful for businesses and consumers. Why it's growing. Prompt engineering is the new UX. Knowing how to talk to AI is a superpower in 2025, and companies are hiring for it. Skills needed: natural language writing, prompt design, UX thinking, and a basic understanding of machine learning. In this job, you'll experiment with different prompts, test outputs, and collaborate with developers to improve AI tools. Creativity and curiosity are essential. Average salary in the US, $80K to $140K, with top freelancers and specialists earning even more. Start now. Play with GPT tools, experiment with prompt templates, and publish your results on LinkedIn or GitHub. Building a public portfolio is key. As AI evolves, the demand for education explodes. If you can teach it, you can monetize it. AI educators and content creators are in high demand. Why it matters. From boot camps to YouTube, creators are filling the education gap faster than universities. You could teach coding, AI ethics, or even prompt engineering. Skills needed: clear communication, curriculum design, video editing, and solid AI knowledge. The best educators make complex topics simple and engaging. Average salary in the US, $60K to $150K plus. But top educators with big audiences can earn much more through courses, sponsorships, and consulting. Tip: start small. Build a niche newsletter, a YouTube channel, or a LinkedIn audience. Consistency and authenticity are your best assets. Whether you're technical, strategic, or creative, there's a place for you in AI. The field is growing fast, and new roles are emerging every year. And with salaries ranging from $80K to over $200K, these roles aren't just futuristic, they're financially smart. The best time to start is now. Smash that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more career content like this. Your next big opportunity could be just one click away. Comment below, which of these roles fits you best? Let us know your dream AI job.